Hi, I'm Dr. Geetha, Vice Principal of RV College of Engineering, Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I would like to highlight that RV College of Engineering, through its bachelor's and the post-graduation programs in the field of VLSI and Embedded Systems, are pretty strong in the field of IC design. However, we intend to move towards OSAT, which is the Outsourced Semiconductor Assembly and Test, where we have included through the curriculum revision a few of the courses in this domain. These courses include electronic materials, semiconductor device and modeling, electronic system design, and semiconductor manufacturing. So in this process, we also have the interdisciplinary courses being offered by the mechanical department, who are more concentrating towards the material science, and also in terms of offering electives in chip manufacturing. In this domain, when we are shifting from the IC domain towards the semiconductor manufacturing, so definitely our management is magnanimous in providing the infrastructure, which includes a small clean room facility where we do have equipments which can be utilized for fabrication as well as the characterization. So with the existing ecosystem of having the infrastructure as well as the curriculum expertise, we want to further enhance towards providing the required skill sets in the industry-ready engineers. So in this direction, we have collaborated with various universities. In fact, a set of faculty members were sent to Taiwan in order to get trained from the universities there, and the negotiations are happening. And we are also trying to collaborate with other universities. And in this regard, we have just started the communication with the University of Arizona, where we have entered the MoU today. And as per this MoU, we would be conducting certain kind of the certification programs, as well as there will be a faculty interaction for providing the cutting edge research in this domain. And we also intend to have certain internship programs between the students, and we also would like to have the skill development program for the students of RVCE and as well for the students in and around RVCE. So in this direction, we are aligning ourselves towards India's semiconductor mission, which is going to take us forward. So looking for a very fruitful association with the University of Arizona through this MoU. Thank you.